Hello, welcome back. Come back for about the Schedule K1. So the Schedule K1, normally we could be help the person to file for gain income. It's meaning if they have income from the K1, they earn money. We could be uh, file for the Schedule K1 for the taxpayer. But a lot of people come to us, they say, oh, they have lost, they want to claim expense. Sorry, if you using Schedule K1 to claim your expense and your loss, that is out of scope. So in scope and out scope depends on their uh, gain or loss. If gain, always okay. Loss, always not good. Okay, and this one is about retirement. Okay, 1099 hours retirement box 2 is empty. This is out of scope. Okay, for the retirement income, mostly they are box 1 and box 2. They will have the same amount, or sometimes the box 2 will the amount will be less than the box 1. When you see the customer the 1099 out form, the box 2 is not the box 2 is not uh, is not have any amount over there. That meaning either is zero or nothing over there. That meaning this kind of the retirement 1099 hour is just a normal. So this kind of customer we count that as out of scope. We cannot take care of the person. The box who doesn't have anything. If this kind of income is doesn't have any tax, they have the box next to the box 1. They will claim that one is taxable income or non-taxable income. They don't need to show nothing on the box rule. If they show nothing on the box rule, that meaning this one is abnormal. We cannot take it. Okay, in the 1099 hour retirement form, if the box 7 is the markdown is uh, the number is number 2 on number 7, that is okay, is in school. But if in this box is mentioned is the number or the English capital over there, that means they are out of the school. We are not able to take this kind of client. For the retirement income, box 7, if they mention is 2, that meaning this income is from Roth IRA. So if this income is coming from the 7, it's coming from the retirement. They are in the retirement age to get this retirement income. So it will be mentioned is 7 in the box 7. So other number we count that is out of scope. Also, for the if you want to know more about the scope for the box 7, you can visit the IRS website to see the publication 4012 about the scoop table. They will tell you more details about that. Okay, other person very important, really really important because the person is cash income by asking us and by their speech. What that means? Very easy. Okay, for example, customer in front of you and asking, hey, do you know how much I can get credit point, full credit point for 2022? If you answer them, and then next they will be tell you, okay, then I file for the cash income for this amount. Okay, this kind of person, they asking you about that, and then they tell you they would like to filing like this. That means they are not really get this income. They just want to fulfill for the Social Security credit point requirement to foreign tax. When they fulfill this one, what their intention is they just want to get SSA retirement. They don't really earn this kind of money. So what can we do? Reject this because our school in our center we call our school, but actually we could be take the case or depends on we have the good excuse to reject them. For example, like the customer said, okay, I help people take care of the child and the employer issue the cash income for me, and we will directly to reject them. We can tell them if your income is over 600 US dollar last month, you need to asking the employer to issue a form. It's called 1099 NEC to let them to foreign tax. Okay, so if they think about, oh, this is make them a lot of trouble, okay, sorry, we cannot uh, help her to do any foreign tax because they have the intention and not that honest to show us. They just want to fulfill for the SSA credit points. So we mostly this kind of the person asking us about the credit point, how many credit point they could be get it after the foreign tax about that. So this one we cannot answer them. If they answer them, they will be using this kind of amount to foreign tax, that meaning they are not honest. So in this situation, they need to doing fully prepare of the homework. They need to ask Social Security about those income. They cannot asking us. If they're asking us, we don't answer them. If they do fully research about that, we just give let them to fill this form. Yes, this form again, very useful for the person who get the uh 1099 NEC. They can fill this part, what day they're working, and then what kind of the income is it. If this one from 1099 NEC and they fill 1099 NEC in this here, and the amount, how much amount they bill on the 1099 NEC, and what's total amount. And this part they can claim their expense in that job. But if cash income, they don't have any proof, we can using this form also. They need to mention like the business tax, the business they will be each quarter to foreign tax to their accountant. And then this one, the date, we can mention January to March, and then April to uh, June, and July to September, and November, no, October to December, like this. So separate 4 quarter and cash income. And remember, cash and tips need to separate transaction, and give us the whole amount about that and total everything add together and give us a total here. And the cash income, we strongly recommend they don't claim the expense. Okay, so this kind of cash income only proof because cash is really hard to prove, except they have the receipt or they deposit those money to the bank. They have the transaction list on their bank. If they don't have this income, they should be filled form. But when they fill this form, the franchise tax board, they still have highly chance to audit their tax return. If they audit, they need to show this information and then explain to the franchise tax board you receive the cash income for what kind of job. Explain a little bit about that. So and then to see did they trust you or not. If they trust you, okay, you no problem. If they don't trust you, okay, so you get trouble. Then you need to get external extension. So if you get audit, you will be uh, give them the really good reason for this cash income. Okay. Okay, other thing else, we need to talk about the repayment of the first time home buyer credit. This one is some of the person, they will tell you about they are the first time home buyer, they would be, have this credit on the year of 2008. So the client bought house between April 9, 2008 to December 31st, 2008. They will got first time home buyer credit. Usually client need to repayment this credit within 15 years. Normally the client will be tell you while they interview with VITA interviewer. So the details of our repayment balance, we can check IRS website below. So this one, www.irs.gov/credits dash deductions slash individuals slash first dash time dash home buyer dash credit dash account dash look dash up. So when they check with in this link, they will have you to enter the client social security card number, the taxpayer birthday, and their home address. When they give this free totally amount, they will give you details how much they owe and how much they pay, and total how much they receive from this credit, either 7,500, either 8,000. If you have those information, you can complete form 5405 to help this taxpayer to write down they have their first time home buyer credit, and each year they will be paid $500 to until they finish all the complete all the 15 years payment. Okay. Okay, today about ins group and outs group, we done for here. If we have any additional out of school things, we will tell you, and additional lesson. So right now, so see you guys again in the next lesson. Okay, bye bye.